Hello everyone! Today we're gonna learn 8 phrases in Chinese which are super useful and you really need to know. Let's get started.
Excuse me, is this your car? No, this is not mine. That car over there is mine. So how do you say this is and that is in Chinese? Number 1, this is 这是这是这是 Number 2, that is 那是那是那是这是我的 This is mine 这是你的 This is yours 这是他的 This is his or this is hers. So now we know 我的 means mine 你的 means yours 他的 means his or hers. Now what about ours, yours and theirs? Let's move on to the next part. Let's say this is ours 这是我们的 This is yours 这是你们的That is theirs 那是他们的 Okay, let's recap. Number 1, this is 这是 Number 2, that is 那是 Number 3, mine 我的 4, yours 你的 5, his or hers 他的 6, ours 我们的 7, yours 你们的 8, theirs 他们的 And yep, that's all for today.
If you like my video, remember to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Yes, 这是我的水壶。这是眼镜。晕。Today we gonna learn. I'll see you next time.